Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device or video quality. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and right now we are on the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. So simply tap on video on the left, and since you can see this camera icon inside the shutter button and the video is highlighted in orange color, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, so let's tap on it. And it's quite tricky, and as you can see right here we've got the video quality option, so simply tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got FHD option applied, but we can also set HD, VGA or a CIF, so it's really up to you which quality you'd like to use. All you have to do is to simply tap on the one you would like to set. So let me pick for example this one, and as you can see it was highlighted and it is also notified right here, so it means that it has been successfully applied, and from now on your device will use it whilst recording the video. But I highly recommend to keep this FHD option applied because it is the best possible here. So actually this is it. This is how to change video quality, video resolution in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.